Welcome, everyone, to the International Year of Caves and Karst. The Union of International Speleology designated 2021 as the year for the world to learn about the importance of these valuable resources. Our event, The Secrets of Caves, Critters, and Rocks, is brought to you by the Virginia region of the National Speleological Society and the Virginia Cave Board. The NSS is the largest organization in the world working every day to further the exploration, study, and protection of caves and their environments and to foster fellowship among cavers. The Virginia Cave Board is an advisory group of volunteers appointed by the governor to help protect the Commonwealth's caves and karst and promote environmental education about them. The Virginia Cave Board is the only such entity in the entire United States, which I think is very cool, and I am proud to serve on it. I'd like to thank my friends Carol Tiederman and Janet Tinkham for their help in organizing this event. I am Meredith Hall-Weberg. And now for some housekeeping. You'll be muted during the presentations. Please remain so. There will be time for questions afterwards, but you can put questions in the chat and we'll try to get to them. Some of the speakers have provided their email addresses in case you think of questions later. One presentation was pre-recorded, but the speaker will be live afterwards to answer questions. All the presentations will be posted online later. We'll have a few minutes after each speaker for a pee break and a 30-minute lunch break at noon Eastern. Now we'll watch a short video introducing the International Year of Caves and Karst.
Water, the basis of all life. 13% of the world's groundwater is in karst areas, hidden in the dark of our Earth. At a rapid speed, the water flows underground through these karst landscapes, forming in part extensive cave systems, and returns to daylight unfiltered from springs. About 700 million people worldwide source their drinking water from karst groundwater. These include large cities such as Rome, Vienna, and Damascus. Karst areas and their caves can be found all over the world. Although they look different externally, they all drain water underground. In order to teach everyone about these hidden worlds, 2021 has been declared the International Year of Caves and Karst. This is necessary because these landscapes, which took millions of years to create, are threatened with destruction and poisoning within a few human generations. This is done partly out of ignorance. Few people see what is under their feet. Most of our knowledge of karst comes from cavers and scientists who descend into these hidden worlds to explore them, increasing knowledge to preserve these fascinating resources. Caves make it difficult for researchers. Deep abysses, bottlenecks, huge halls, passages underwater, crashes. Cave systems can be very complex. The longest extend hundreds of kilometers. And the deepest is more than 2,000 meters. Despite all of the challenges, cavers bring light into these unknown worlds. Wonder worlds, full of bizarre beauty and an immense wealth of forms. More than 90 UNESCO World Heritage Sites and more than 70 global geoparks are in cave and karst areas. Every year, hundreds of millions of people visit the world's show caves, making them important economic engines for entire regions. Cavers observe, measure, take samples. Tens of thousands of kilometers of caves have been discovered, mapped, and documented by them. This basic research forms the basis for further studies. For example, dye tests to track the course of the water. But it's not just the water that's of interest. Caves harbor valuable climate data, and their sediments house archives of past life. Caves have always played a special role in human history. From the beginnings of human culture to the present day. However, the most recent things that people have brought into caves do not belong to our glorious heritage. They endanger not only important drinking water reserves, but also fragile underground ecosystems. Caves contain a diverse and rare, highly specialized fauna, which also benefits humans. Bats alone help produce more than 450 products in food, medicine, and industry. In 2021, the International Year of Caves and Karst, cavers and thousands of their friends worldwide will promote understanding and protection of caves and karst with events around the world. Coordinated by the International Union of Speleology, the global organization for caves and karst. We invite everyone to join the International Year events in their areas and learn more about the fascinating world of caves and karst.
What a great film. And now I'd like to present our first set of speakers, Yvonne Droms and Mark Minton. They're going to be talking about cave exploration, the last frontier. Go ahead and share your screen, Mark and Bonnie, and have a good time. Thanks.